Microsoft Excel, we are going to discuss the topic link. As we have studied earlier in Microsoft Word, the hyperlink. Hyperlink is used to link two files together. For example, we have connected data relevant to this file in another file. We want to link this file to that file. We will go to Insert menu and click Link command, or we will press Ctrl K short key for hyperlink. Now we will select a place in this document, existing file. First of all, I am going to use the existing file. For example, I am going to link this file 3D sum and consolidations, and I'll click OK. This is another Excel file that has been linked in this workbook. If I want to access this file, I will just click this link and it will open the desired file in front of me. It is going to my OneDrive and it's trying to access this file because it is placed in my OneDrive. OneDrive is a Microsoft cloud storage space which is used to store the data on live server on Microsoft server. Now it has accessed my OneDrive and I can open that file 3D sum and consolidation from this folder just by clicking open. Okay. Microsoft Excel will open the desired file in front of me. This is a hyperlink that has been linked over my OneDrive. That's why it took a little bit of time. If you have a file on your local computer, you can just click the link command and just choose the file to link. For example, I am going to choose my local documents here. This is my local document. It also contains many files. For example, this 3D sum is placed also here. I will just click this file and click yes. It will open automatically in Microsoft Excel because it is placed inside my local drive. The file I linked earlier was placed inside my OneDrive. Okay, OneDrive is online and local drive is on my C drive. Okay, let's see whether it is opened or not. You can see it is opened online. I can see it and I can check my data. The data on the both files is same. In the similar way, for example, if you have more than one worksheet, I'm going to place some data. I selected some data, I copied it by pressing Ctrl C and I pasted it on another sheet. Now I want to link this sheet here. What I will do, we'll go to Insert, we'll click the command link or press Ctrl K and then place in this document, and we will link the sheet 2. As I have linked the sheet 2, just we will click the link, it will open sheet 2 for us. We can also link some internet URL here also. For example, I am going to link my YouTube channel link on this page. For that purpose, I need the URL of my YouTube channel. We'll open the YouTube and select the URL of the desired channel to link on Excel sheet. I will just select and copy my link and I will go to link command and existing file and web page, and I'll paste the link here. It will create the link to my YouTube channel, and when we will click this link, it will automatically open my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the command link. Next is text, much easier option. First of all, it contains text boxes. You know the use of text box. We can click and drag the text box over here and type any text. To show as a highlighted text. We can also resize this text box. We can move this text box from one place to another. We can rotate it like a picture, and we can delete it by pressing delete button. We can also delete the hyperlinks as we have applied earlier. We'll just select the cell containing the hyperlink and press the delete button from our keyboard. Okay. The next command is in the text header and footer. Header and footer command will not be applied to the sheet view of Microsoft Excel. As we are in the worksheet view, we can't apply this command here. We will go to the view buttons. On the bottom of the screen you can see page break view, page layout and normal view. We will click the page layout. Page layout will show our worksheet in the form of a page. Now we can apply the header and footers. We will go to header and footer and we will type. We can type some text here. We can add the page number here. We can add some picture over here also. But at this portion I think we should not add the picture. I'm going to apply a picture at the bottom of the page. So for that purpose we will go to the footer section, and in the header footer bar we will choose the option picture, and we'll browse our logo here. Our logo is placed in my D drive, and I have applied this over the footer of my page, but it's too large in size, so it looks much larger. We can resize it according to our requirement. This is how we can apply the headers and footers over our Excel sheet. Now we'll go back to normal view. When we'll go back to normal view, you can't see the header and footers. The next command is word art. You can choose any art style. You can type some text over here. You can resize this text from home menu. You can change the font style of this text also, and apply the size, style, color on your demand, on your requirement. You can also rotate this text like a picture. You can move this from one place to another place. If you want to delete it, just click on the border of the text and press delete button. The next button here is signature line. It's very easy command. Signature line places a signature line on our worksheet. Let's see, signature line, and it is asking us the name of the signer. For example, I'm going to type my name here. It is asking me the designation. I have typed my designation here. It is asking me for an email. I'm going to type my email along with this form, and now I will just click OK. Excel will add a signature line on my page that will be used for adding or writing a signature on my sheet when I will print this sheet. Okay. Next option is object. Object is used to place some text, some file as an object on my Excel sheet. For example, I will browse a file. Here I want to add this file. And I click OK. The file will be added as a icon or as a object. You can't see the data of the file, it is just displaying the icon of the file. Next one is symbols. Symbols contain the mathematical equations. You can add any mathematical equation you want on your Excel sheet. If you want to remove this mathematical equation, just click on the border of the equation and press delete button. The next one is symbols. Symbols contain many of the symbols. You can see the symbols here. If you want to add any of these symbols, just select the symbol and click insert button. There are multiple categories of symbols. You can choose for example webdings, the most famous category. Webdings 1 and 2, 3 and so on, and choose the symbol of the requirement and just click insert button. You can add the symbols on your sheet. This is only used for adding the symbols. Symbols are used to decorate the text with symbols. For example, you have a visiting card and you are going to show the mobile number and you want to place a mobile symbol or phone symbol. You will choose the symbol first and then in the next cell you will type the number. Okay, this is how we add the symbols, and that was our insert menu.